Here's how to exit the zoom screen on your iPhone lock screen or home screen with ease. Use 3 fingers and double tap with 3 fingers to exit like this. If it's not working, then try to force restart, as explained at last in this tutorial. Once your screen back to normal, disable this feature from the Settings app. Open the Settings app, scroll to Accessibility Settings. Now, find Zoom setting and disable the toggle zoom. To prevent accidental magnification of the screen while in a pocket or while playing with your baby children. If it's stuck on the zoom screen, force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button and the quickly press and release volume down button. Now, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. And your iPhone screen is back to normal. Now, disable the feature as explained earlier in this video. If you found something helpful and fixed it, don't miss to share it with everyone. Thumbs up for support and comment below for any questions.